Hi guys, hope you're all well. Excuse me, I've still got a croaky throat. Don't know what's going on. Anyway, just doing a quick haul guys. I recently put an order in to Perles & Co. And I got a load of texture plates. I did order clay and other stuff guys, and there are a few other bits I'm going to show you. I'm not going to show you the clay, it's just clay. It's just my normal order of clay. So texture sheets. Now I'll show you this one first. This is an F-Core brand. They do lots of craft stuff. They're the people who make the low temperature enamels that I like, and like I said, they do lots of different clay stuff. Nice company, have a Google. Now of course guys, I appreciate that this is from Perles & Co, which is in France. They do deliver worldwide, so if you do spot something that you like and you're not in Europe or the UK, they will deliver, and their postage is extremely reasonable, so you know, go and have a look guys. But this is a texture mat. It's called Under the Sea, very much like the Cernit texture mats that I like size wise. And I bought this just because I really liked all these waves and things. There's a tiny little seahorse there, and a couple of shells, a little fish. If you can see, there's a little fish there. Now I'm not too fussed about having them in my texture. It was this swirly stuff that I really liked, but it's a cute texture plate. And I'll get you the price. Now bear in mind guys, I can only do this in euros because that's what my bill comes in. And this was Under the Sea. It was €7.40, which is about £5, give or take. It's about £5. So the kind of standard price for these rubber stamp. Oh, and it smells really rubbery. Standard price for these. So that's Under the Sea by F-Core. Now these, I got another you know, I love these Fimo ones because if I cut this strip off the top, it will feed through my texture plate. Oh, let me just get this sticker off if I can. It's one of those horrible ones I think that might not come off. Oh, it's doing it. I'm not going to peel it off guys, because if I make a mess of it I'll spend ages soaking it. This is just a Fimo texture sheet. I hope you can see the pattern. Yeah, you can. It's called Baroque, I believe. Doesn't, oh yeah, it is Baroque, and it's just all swirls and flowers. It's really pretty. And this was the grand sum of £1.90. May have been in the sale. €1.90, so that's about £1.50 I'll say for this Fimo. And you know, I do like these ones for putting texture on because I can pass them through my machine, but they're just as easy to pop on your clay and roll over with a roller or press with a block or something. So there's that one. And then I found this mega set by a lovely company called Grain Creative, which translates to Creative Seed, which is, how cool is that for a name for a company? And I got all these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 textures, and they were €15 I believe. They were €14.86, which is about 12 quid. So that makes them what, £1 10p each, and they're double sided, so I'll go through each one. This one I can't wait to use. it's got like a 3D effect on it. So and of course, don't forget guys, these are double-sided, so you can get the innie or the outie or the embossed and debossed. So this one has got these swirls on, and it's just a smaller version. There you go, I'm trying to get it in the light so you can see, and it's just got a smaller version and the like little dots. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. So that's the first one. The second one is like a zigzag shape, and then this Baroque, not Baroque, like Moroccan screening. And again, don't forget you can use both sides, so you get the emboss and deboss. This is just a floral Baroque style pattern. Can you see? And this has just got the large and the small print on it. Then we've got excuse me for croaking guys, then we've got this kind of lattice, which is bigger on one side and smaller on the other. I don't think there's one pattern in here that I don't like. And then we've got these chains, all different chains and different sizes. It'd be nice to cut a strip and insert it in between a pendant, wouldn't it, to break it up. So there's the chains. Then we've got this, I don't know what it is, wavy or leafy kind of effect. It's nice, whatever it is. So that's that one. Then we've got this lace one, which is beautiful. So there's a full lace with a flower in the middle, and then there's like a lacy band. And if you stay tuned, I've got a bit of a giveaway for one of you at the end. And this is what I'm going to send you. I bought an extra one. So I'm going to do a little giveaway for you guys, just to show my appreciation. Okay, so this one's that. Let me just move them up. I don't know what you call it. You know, like a shell, a repeating shell pattern. And this one is like little starbursts. If I turn it over, you might be able to see that. Little starbursts. Then we've got a honeycomb pattern, and that is a smaller version of the honeycomb pattern. I really like that they've done like this. And again guys, these are made to go through your pasta machine, so great for your backings and veneers and things. And then we've got this houndstooth, dog's tooth pattern, as you can see, and it's the same again, a large and a small. And that's all those textures, which I'm really chuffed about for that price, guys. So they're the textures that I ordered, and I just wanted to show you this. Now I have, this is, it's quite soft. You warm it up. I'll show you the instructions. You drop it in warm, hotish, I think it's 80 degrees. You can go up to 80 degrees C, that is, guys. And then you can mould it and make impressions and things like that with it, and it sets, so you can, you know, do it for whatever you're doing, and then you reheat it and it goes, you know, it gets rid of whatever you've pushed in it. So like a semi modelling material. I've got those little beads, and I've used those before, where you just drop the beads in warm water and then you squish them together and you can mould and shape and stuff. But I just thought I'd give this a go, because it looked interesting, to be fair. And let me try and find the thing for it. Sorry guys, I'm just trying. I didn't tick it. Polymer clay, polymer clay, polymer clay, faceted texture plates, cabochons. Oh, there it is. Oyumara, it's called Oyumara modelling resin. You get 12 sticks of it in a pack, and it was €9.50, so that's about £8.80. And I just thought, for a reusable material, rather than, you know, if you buy the two-part blue stuff to make your own moulds, it is quite expensive and you can only use it once. So I will give this a go, and I will let you know how I get on with it, guys. I can maybe do a little video with it if you're interested. If you're interested, let me know, and I will do a little video for you. But I know there's different sorts of this stuff on the market, isn't there? So you should all be able to get hold of some. So yeah, I just picked some of that up. And then I love how the Perles & Co always pack everything beautifully. So in here I got these, which were free. They're just like a little, they always send you a free gift with your order, so they're just like a little stone leaf looking thing. I've got 4 of them, and they sent me a little linen drawstring bag to put bits of jewellery in. And then I ordered these. I like having, when I'm trying to figure out gemstones and stuff, I actually like having a piece of the real stuff, then I can examine it. This just fell in my bag because I just thought it was beautiful. It's a tiny piece of labradorite, and isn't it, it's that flash there, isn't it fab? So I thought that might look nice, embedded in a bit of clay, which is why I bought that, because it was only cheap, to be fair. And then I do have some snowflake obsidian, but it's mainly in beads, so I haven't got a flat piece of it. So I just ordered this lovely cabochon. Isn't that lovely? Again, they were only a couple of quid, these guys. Let's have a look. Snowflake obsidian. Yeah, €2, so that's like £1.80 for this little cabochon. They do quite a lot of gems. And I got some tiny quiche. I never know if I'm saying it right, guys. I used to call them quiche beads. I don't know where I got that from. Heishi. You know, those tiny little thin beads. I just like them for spaces, and I hadn't got any black, so I've just ordered some onyx ones, and they again were a couple of pounds. And I recently bought quite a bit of tiger's eye, so I just, in fact, let me open them, and you know, I recently bought some nice tiger's eye beads, round ones, and I just wanted a few spaces to match, so I bought some of those little spacer heishi beads to use as spacers and the such if I needed some. And again, these little bags were not hardly anything. Whatever they weren't expensive, guys. They were just a couple of quid, so I just got them a few bits, and I ordered some of these because I loved the colour. What a lovely springy vibrant green, and there's dots of yellow and orange in there, little bits of black. So I just these just fell in my basket because I really liked them, and I'm not too sure how much these were. Oh, grade. These are jade, raw jade, and they were €9. So that's like, they were £8 a string, which isn't the best, cheapest I could have probably got them, but I haven't seen this colour anywhere, so I treated myself. But aren't they lovely? So yeah, that's my little haul, guys, and I'll just share this with you. So what I did was, they sell these separately, these texture plates, so you can buy them in a big pack, or you can buy them separately. So I just thought I would get one spur in the lace, and I'm going to do a little giveaway. So all you need to do is just comment on this video. Make sure you're subscribed. I can check if you're not. Make sure you're subscribed and just comment on the video. You know, just let me know that you'd like to be included. I will post it anywhere in the world, so it doesn't matter where you are, and I'll send you this little texture sheet for a little treat and a thank you for you all and for all your support. Okay guys, just a quick haul there. Just wanted to share them bits with you, because I do know quite a lot of you just like seeing what's out there, different products and stuff. It's always nice, isn't it, to see something and then you can make your own mind up. Don't forget, Perles & Co will deliver all over the world. You just need to put your country in and it'll give you an estimate of the postage, and it is pretty reasonable from what I can gather. If you put an order in large enough, you don't end up paying postage, but don't tell my husband. Okay guys, I'll leave it there. Don't forget, if you're interested in being counted for this, in fact just comment. Whoever comments, as long as you're subscribed, I'll put your name in the hat to win this texture plate, so you can all have a play. Well, one of you can have a play with it. So thanks for watching guys, and I shall see you all in the next video. Bye now.